Boeing just won a battle that nobody expected them to win. A critical airline in one of the world's most important markets chose Boeing over Airbus decisively with billions of dollars order. Here's why this deal humiliates Airbus and proves Boeing's comeback is real. Copa Airlines has committed to ordering up to 60 Boeing 737 MAX jets. Boeing and Copa Airlines announced the order on April 28, 2026. This deal reinforces Copa's long-standing all-Boeing fleet strategy. Boeing's media room announced the order officially. Boeing and Copa Airlines confirmed an order for up to 60 Boeing 737 MAX jets on April 28, 2026. This is not just another aircraft purchase. This is a clear signal that even after years of controversy surrounding the 737 MAX, Boeing is regaining serious trust from key airline partners. At a time when airlines are aggressively expanding to meet rising travel demand, locking in such a large order shows Boeing still has strong influence in critical growth markets like Latin America. The deal's timing carries particular significance. The 737 MAX endured years of crisis following 2 fatal crashes. Airlines worldwide grounded the aircraft. Orders were canceled. Boeing's reputation suffered catastrophic damage. Many industry observers question whether the MAX could ever recover. Some predicted airlines would abandon Boeing entirely in favor of Airbus alternatives. Copa Airlines' massive commitment proves those predictions wrong. Copa operates one of the most strategically important airline networks in the Americas. The carrier is based in Panama City's Tocumen International Airport. This hub connects North, Central, and South America efficiently. Panama's geographic position makes it an ideal connecting point. Flights from North America to South America can route through Panama with minimal deviation. Copa exploited this advantage to build a powerful hub-and-spoke network. The airline currently operates an all-Boeing fleet of over 100 aircraft. Copa flies Boeing 737-700s, Boeing 737-800s, and Boeing 737 MAX 9 aircraft. The new order will add Boeing 737 MAX aircraft to this existing fleet. By doubling down on Boeing aircraft, Copa is effectively rejecting Airbus in a region where competition is heating up. This gives Boeing a major advantage in fleet standardization, maintenance ecosystems, and long-term partnerships. Fleet commonality provides enormous operational benefits. Copa's mechanics are trained exclusively on Boeing aircraft. Parts inventories focus on Boeing systems. Pilot training centers around 737 variants. Adding 60 more Boeing aircraft maintains these efficiencies. If Copa had chosen Airbus A320neo family aircraft, the airline would need to build entirely new support infrastructure. Training new mechanics on Airbus systems would take years. Establishing Airbus parts inventories would cost millions. Pilot training programs would require complete overhaul. Fleet commonality saves Copa enormous expense and complexity. The 737 MAX family offers specific advantages for Copa's network. The aircraft provides excellent fuel efficiency on routes ranging from 1 to 6 hours. This perfectly matches Copa's typical flight lengths. Copa connects dozens of cities across the Americas. Routes like Panama City to Mexico City, Panama City to Buenos Aires, or Panama City to Miami all fall within the MAX's optimal range. The aircraft economics work perfectly for these missions. The MAX also provides capacity flexibility. Copa can deploy different MAX variants based on route demand. The MAX 8 serves routes with moderate passenger volumes. The MAX 9 handles higher demand corridors. The MAX 10, if Copa orders that variant, would maximize capacity on the busiest routes. This operational flexibility matters enormously for airlines managing complex networks. Copa can adjust aircraft assignments seasonally as demand fluctuates. The MAX family enables this optimization efficiently. Boeing's media room statement highlighted Copa's satisfaction with existing MAX operations. Copa already flies Boeing 737 MAX 9 aircraft successfully. The airline's positive operational experience with the MAX informed this massive new commitment. Pedro Heilbronn, CEO of Copa Airlines, likely evaluated the MAX's performance extensively before committing to 60 additional aircraft. Airlines do not order billions in aircraft based on manufacturer promises. They order based on proven operational performance. Copa's existing MAX fleet demonstrated the aircraft meets the airline's requirements. Fuel efficiency matched projections. Reliability improved consistently. Passenger feedback was positive. These real-world results justified the expansion order. For Boeing, securing Copa's commitment carries significance far beyond just 60 aircraft. This validates the MAX in a strategically critical market. Latin America represents enormous growth potential for aviation. The region's emerging middle classes are driving travel demand higher. Economic development creates business travel. Tourism continues expanding. Airlines across Latin America need hundreds of new aircraft over coming decades. Copa's decision to commit exclusively to Boeing influences other Latin American carriers. When a respected regional leader like Copa chooses Boeing decisively, competitors notice. Other airlines evaluate their own fleet decisions in this context. Avianca, LATAM, Aeromexico, and other major Latin American carriers all operate mixed Boeing and Airbus fleets. Copa's all-Boeing strategy provides a compelling alternative model. If Copa achieves superior economics through fleet commonality, competitors may reconsider their multi-manufacturer approaches. Boeing cannot afford to lose Latin America to Airbus. The region is too important strategically. Copa's order helps Boeing maintain strong competitive position in this critical market. The deal also demonstrates airlines' confidence in the MAX's safety and reliability has been restored. The aircraft underwent the most intensive recertification process in aviation history. Regulators examined every system exhaustively. Airlines initially approached the recertified MAX cautiously. Some delayed taking deliveries. Others ordered minimal quantities. Passengers expressed nervousness about flying on MAX aircraft. But operational experience since recertification has been excellent. The MAX has flown millions of hours safely. Reliability metrics improve steadily. Incidents related to the original design flaws have not recurred. This operational track record rebuilds confidence systematically. Airlines like Copa now commit to the MAX based on proven performance rather than manufacturer assurances. Copa's order also reflects economic realities. The MAX delivers superior fuel efficiency compared to older 737 variants Copa currently operates. Replacing Boeing 737-700s and Boeing 737-800s with MAX aircraft reduces fuel costs substantially. Fuel represents one of airlines' largest expenses. Even modest percentage improvements in fuel efficiency generate millions in annual savings. Over an aircraft's 20 to 25-year service life, these savings compound enormously. The MAX also offers lower maintenance costs than older 737 aircraft. Modern systems require less frequent servicing. Improved reliability reduces unscheduled maintenance. These operational cost advantages improve Copa's competitive position. Lower costs enable Copa to offer more competitive fares or generate higher profits. Either outcome strengthens the airline's market position against competitors. The MAX provides genuine economic advantages Copa cannot ignore. From Airbus's perspective, losing Copa's order represents a strategic failure. The A320neo family competes directly with the 737 MAX on efficiency and capability. Airbus should have been competitive for this order, but Copa chose Boeing decisively. Not a split order, not a competitive valuation resulting in partial commitments to both manufacturers, a complete Boeing victory